Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of JRJ Party Designs. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to apply the sticker label onto a Kool Aid Jammers. They can also be used on the Capri Suns as well, as they are the same size as you. So what you see here is I've already printed out the template, which the template is available on our website. And that's one of the reasons for this video as well, because a lot of customers have purchased the Kool Aid Jammers or Capri Sun template, and I just want to show you guys how quick and easy it is to actually apply it onto the Kool Aid Jammers or the Capri Suns. We'll basically just say juice pouches because you could use it on either brand, as I mentioned to you. But it is a really quick and easy process. So once you've created your design, you are then going to print it, and you want to, for best results, my recommendation is to print it out on glossy sticker paper. The exact type of paper that I used is linked in the description of this video, as well as in the about section of this YouTube channel. But just for easier access, you can access the link directly from the description box. So for this, as I mentioned, this particular theme is for Too Fast, Too Curious. My client's son was turning 2, and this is such a cute theme. You can see in the design that there are 2 different color cars because the design and theme concept of my client's party, she was having blue and red along with the fast car type of theme with the black and white. So we incorporated both color for the cars. I'm using Kool Aid Jammers. I'm using the cherry flavor as well as the blue tropical punch flavor, just to also tie in with the theme of the party. So now I've cut out all of for each sticker label that will be applied to the Kool Aid Jammer. There's 4 per sheet. So when you print it, you'll actually be receiving 4 labels on the sheet. And just to mention, when cutting these out, you could use a paper cutter, or you could just cut it by hand, as you've seen that I did. And I always like to show you guys the most easiest method and process as possible. So as you've seen that I was cutting it by hand, just to show you that you do not need any extra equipment. You can use a scissors to actually just cut the templates out. I'm using a hole puncher because I want it to look as realistic as possible, just like the juice pouches do. Now, here's an important tip when creating Kool Aid Jammers for party favors for your treat table or to hand out to your guests in a loot bag. I like to place the sticker label on the back. So what you're seeing here is I'm just trying to straighten out the creases as much as possible because they are juice pouches, so they're not going to be 100% smooth. As you can see in the background for some of the ones that I've already done, they're not 100% smooth, and that's going to happen, especially with the sticker paper. There's ways to try your best to avoid that, and then I'm going to show you that here. So you peel off the sticker label, place it at the very top, just line it up to the back of the Kool Aid Jammer, firmly pressed down and just smoothing as you do that. Now I'm lifting this back up because I already saw that it was about to crinkle on one side. Smooth it down firmly. And this first method that I'm showing you is where I turn the Kool Aid Jammer on the back and just try to wiggle it around and press it smoothly to the sides. And here I'm just kind of smoothing it out. So then we're just going to do that again. So you're just going to simply just peel it off of the sticker label. Again, this is glossy sticker paper that I'm using, and I printed that on an inkjet printer. It was actually on my Epson EcoTank printer. I believe the model is 2860. I'll also link that printer as well in the description box. So you're just going to smooth it down onto the actual Kool Aid Jammer. Another plus about this particular sticker paper that I highly do recommend it as well is it is waterproof. I can post another video just quickly showing you guys that these are waterproof, and the benefit of that is that, for example, if you have a party that is at a park or outdoors and you're going to put these in a cooler, it's helpful to know that the labels are not going to be peeling off or damaged. Your design's not going to be ruined with ink all over inside of your cooler or anything like that. It will actually stay intact in place. So that's a really good plus with this particular sticker paper. So the first method I showed you guys is where I turned the Kool Aid Jammer on the back and was wiggling it around to put it in place. But this particular example here that I've been doing, that you've seen with the past couple of Kool Aid Jammers, is I'm laying it on top. Instead of turning it around, I'm pulling it and holding onto it firmly, pushing it down and guiding it with my fingers to put it in place and to just smooth it out as much as possible. And that's really all that it is to it. So once you've purchased a template or wherever you get the template from, that's how simple and easy and how quick it is to create these Kool Aid Jammers, or as I mentioned earlier, Capri Sun juice pouches. Quick and easy. And a good plus too about putting it on the back, the kids are able to see what the juice flavor is. And for sanitary purposes, you don't have to touch the straw. You don't have to take the straw off. Sometimes when you're pulling the straw off, the actual plastic off of the straw comes off too. And then, to glue the straw back onto the Kool Aid Jammer and all of that kind of stuff. This is just the most easiest, simple way to do it. And I wanted to leave those there and put those at the front to show you that flaws can happen. Sometimes it's not going to be 100% smooth. And that again is due to the paper. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.